This is Tangstar Science's Respiratory System Lesson Number 1 PowerPoint and Worksheet on the importance of breathing and gas exchange. This PowerPoint contains 62 editable slides, which include a quick quiz at the end of the PowerPoint to assess your students' understanding of the lesson. This PowerPoint is also accompanied by an editable student worksheet, which allows students to follow along with the PowerPoint lesson and which keeps them on task and engaged while providing them with organized notes when complete. Note copying is also faster as only important terms are recorded as fill in the blanks. A complete answer key is also provided. The PowerPoint itself has several notable features. The first is the eye-catching title slide, which lets students keep track of which lesson they are learning in the respiratory system. The second slide is the table of contents, which outlines which topics will be covered in the lesson. In this case, the need for a respiratory system, the requirements for gas exchange, the steps involved in gas exchange, and hemoglobin and its role in gas exchange. Lesson delivery involves notes containing fill-in-the-blanks and whose terms pop up to highlight their importance. Students will record these terms in their PowerPoint worksheet. Embedded within the lesson are also quick tasks that break up the lesson and provide opportunities for students to participate either individually or within groups. Let's take a look at this example. The question is, why is gas exchange necessary? This provides a clue for the students. What we want them to get at is that gas exchange is necessary for cellular respiration, which is essential for creating energy for cells. Another feature that increases student engagement are the cool and interesting facts that are provided in the PowerPoint that extend beyond the curriculum. This cool fact is on the mammalian diving reflex. So the question is it easier to hold your breath on land or underwater? Land or water? The answer happens to be in the water. Why? Due to the mammalian diving reflex, which is later on explained. As well, videos are included in the PowerPoint to help highlight parts of the lesson, like this one on the mammalian diving reflex. Review videos are also found at the end of the lesson to help reinforce the lesson topics that have been taught. This is an example of one, and here's another one. At the end of the PowerPoint, there's a review quiz that you can do with the class, or students can do this on their own using their PowerPoint worksheet. This assessment lets you and your students know how much they've understood. There is also an answer key in the PowerPoint that lets students check their own answers and make corrections. At the very end of the PowerPoint, there is a final slide that lets students know what the next lesson will be in this series of lessons on the respiratory system.